Viewers, what a day it's turning out to be. In moments now, if the trajectory on your screens, if you can look on the right of your screens, that's the live vaccination count. And you can see those numbers every millisecond changing by hundreds. Because that's what's happening, viewers. We have set a record, a milestone in the free world. More than 2 crore Indians have been inoculated today. 2 crores, 20 lakhs. That number is just going further up, and we're just a couple of lakhs short of breaking the all-time single-day record for the number of people inoculated. That record is held by China, but as you know, viewers, in China, you can never know the truth. But the fact is, here, it is live, it is uploaded second after second. It's been so momentous that even the Minister of State for Health, a doctor herself, can't hold back the tears. This entire group, viewers, in the government, as well as, of course, our frontline professionals, our doctors, our first responders, our health workers, have been under tremendous pressure, viewers, to ensure that Indians don't succumb to COVID. And what they have done is simply monumental. It is the greatest war that we have fought in the history of modern India. And this war of liberation from this viral fever, viewers, is going to be enshrined in history simply because of the ingenuity of our scientific community that gave us not one but 2 vaccines. One that is made here, one that is both invented and manufactured here. And viewers, all our intrepid health workers who braved death to inoculate with zeal. Viewers, this is a turning point, let me tell you, in the fight against corona. And if this pace continues, we are being told by our sources in government that by December, every adult Indian will be fully vaccinated. That mark that many people thought and many people continue to believe will not be attained, will be attained. First, listen to the MOS Health. This is what she said.
All the doctors, all our scientists and our health departments, all this ASHA, Sevika and all nurses. So everybody is doing the hard work for this drive and this security and safety for all our Indians. So it's very proud moment.
Absolutely. Ma'am, you're feeling now, not as the MOS Health, but as a doctor yourself. What would you like to say to all the people who have been there? They've been at the receiving end. It's been a very tough 2 years for frontline workers, for doctors, for the medical fraternity. Doctor to doctor, what would you like to say?
Yeah, exactly. As a doctor, I'm right now. I'm just crying and just it's unavailable. It's unbelievable moment for me that because we are such in this pandemic situation, nobody can even today's will cross the 2 crores vaccination. It's just not the achievement, but everybody is very happy for this moment that India is making some very big record in the world. And I think as a doctor, it's a proud moment, and it's really I'm just crying to seeing that it's 2 crores and all the efforts of the frontline workers and all the health faculties. We are expecting all the level of all the PHC, sub-center, district hospital, all levels of all these health members who are giving their best efforts for.
Well, viewers, Dr. Bharti is obviously crying the tears of joy. But let me tell you, the opposition today is not happy. And it has dismissed all of this as PR. propaganda. The facts don't matter. So it's all manipulated. Now remember, viewers, these are the same opposition leaders who about 6 months ago said that we were headed for disaster. I mean, there are several bites of Rahul Gandhi, etc., Yechuri company saying that we're finished. Now listen again to Sitaram Yechuri.
এটা আগেও দেখলাম আমরা যখন প্রধানমন্ত্রী কিছু লঞ্চ করে প্রোগ্রাম 2 দিন আগে কিছু ভ্যাকসিনেশন হলোই না দেশে और যে দিন ও প্রোগ্রাম বললো আজকে মাস ভ্যাকসিনেশন ড্রাইভ এটা করবে সাডেনলি দ্যাট ডে এটা হয়ে যায় 1 কোটি ভ্যাকসিন ধরো সিঙ্গেল ডোজ যেটা দিচ্ছে বাট দ্যাট ইজ অল প্রপাগান্ডা দেয়ার হোল থিং ইজ অর্কেস্ট্রেটেড
Whole thing is orchestrated. Whole thing is orchestrated. They'll never say that about China, of course, but about India, it's always this, orchestrated. So those numbers that are ticking over, viewers, are being fed in by some computer genius who has got it all together. Anything that is halfway mechanical in this country, viewers, is manipulated. EVMs are manipulated. They count votes much like this through fraud. That really is what the opposition is saying today, viewers. Is just a simple sample of that sentiment. There are others also, viewers, who have come out and said from the opposition, leader of states, Congress-ruled states, appointed and handpicked by the Gandhis, who say we won't get ourselves vaccinated. So vaccine hesitancy also remains a very, very underhand means of trying to shake the people's faith in the health program. But I want us to first listen in to some of the doctors on the ground, and let's have a look at the mood outside some of the hospitals. It's been quite celebratory. Let's play out this walkthrough for you, which was filed a little earlier by one of our correspondents. Watch this, viewers.
देश भर में जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के जन्मदिन पर वैक्सीनेशन का एक नया रिकॉर्ड बनाने की तैयारी है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ मुंबई के अंदर बीएमसी द्वारा एक नया लक्ष्य तैयार किया गया है, जिसके तहत महिलाओं को आज के दिन टीकाकरण दिया जाएगा स्पेशली। तो फिलहाल हम मौजूद हैं मुंबई के बीकेसी जम्बो वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर में, जहां पर आज सिर्फ और सिर्फ महिलाओं को बड़ी तादाद में वैक्सीनेशन दिया जा रहा है। वहीं अब तस्वीरों के जरिए अब आपको अंदर ले चलते हैं, जहां पर आप देख पाएंगे कि किस तरह से जो महिलाएं हैं अब वो बढ़ चढ़कर वैक्सीनेशन में हिस्सा ले रही हैं। साथ ही साथ पहले की ही तरह यहाँ पर अभी भी जो लोग हैं उन्हें वैक्सीन दिया जाएगा, फर्स्ट डोज और सेकेंड डोज दोनों ही। साथ ही साथ ये एक खासियत इस बार ये होगी क्योंकि इसको करने की वजह ये है क्योंकि लगातार जो वैक्सीनेशन के आंकड़े आ रहे हैं उसमें जो महिलाएं हैं उन्होंने काफ़ी कम डोजेज लिए हैं, तो उसकी संख्या में वृद्धि आए इसलिए ये इनिशिएटिव लिया गया है। हालांकि ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स को रिपीट करने की लगातार काफ़ी ज़रूरत होगी, जिससे कि महिलाएं घर से बाहर निकलकर और ज़्यादा बढ़ चढ़कर वैक्सीन का टीका ले पाएँ। आप लोगों ने आपका वैक्सीन का टीका ले लिया है?
मेरा अभी फर्स्ट डोज है।
फर्स्ट डोज है।
हाँ।
अब तक क्यों नहीं लिया था? इतने दिन से वैक्सीनेशन शुरू।
मैं गाँव गई थी ना और वैसे घर का प्रॉब्लम था इसलिए मैंने ले नहीं पाई। ये सब तो पहले ले लेना चाहिए, अभी तक तो सेकंड डोज चाहिए।
आपका भी पहला टीका है?
हाँ।
अभी ले रही हैं आप? अच्छा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर आके? आपको आराम से आने की सुविधा मिली?
हाँ सुविधा
थी यहाँ। सो यहाँ पर आपने जिस तरह से सुना कि लगातार जो लोग हैं वो टीका ले रहे हैं। अंदर जो बेनिफिशियरी हैं उनसे भी एक बार बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं। मैम, ये आपका पहला डोज है या सेकंड डोज? फर्स्ट डोज है। क्या कहना चाहेंगे, अब तक आपने नहीं लिया था या अब स्पेशली ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट हो?
स्पेशली है और वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि आफ्टर सो मेनी डेज एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर वुमेन दिस इज बीन डन। आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत सारा रश है और बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं एंड ये फैसिलिटी रियली हेल्पफुल है।
बिल्कुल। सो यहाँ पर जिस तरह से हमने सुना बेनिफिशियरी को भी कि महिलाओं के लिए जब अलग से प्रावधान लाया गया, अलग से एक दिन वैक्सीन का टीका दिया जा रहा है उन्हें, तो वो और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ चढ़कर अब अपना वैक्सीन का टीका ले रही हैं, जो कि अब कहीं ना कहीं मुंबई घरों के लिए खासकर काफ़ी ज़्यादा अहम हो जाता है, क्योंकि अब हर पब्लिक प्लेस पर जाने के लिए, लोकल ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करने के लिए भी आपका फाइनल टीकाकरण होना बेहद ज़रूरी है। देखना होगा कि अब इस वैक्सीनेशन की ड्राइव के बाद महिलाओं की वैक्सीनेटेड संख्या में कितनी वृद्धि आती है।
Well, viewers, that number constantly inflating on your screens on the extreme right, that's 2,21,38,354. And even as I speak, that number has gone from 354 to 751, which is double. So that's how quickly these numbers are moving forth. And we're just about 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh short now of the all-time highest record. But I can also tell you that even as viewers, people like you and I are lining up to get inoculated quite clearly, there are Congress leaders who are mocking the drive. The Goa Congress chief has refused, in fact, to get himself inoculated, promoting vaccine hesitancy. God alone knows why, viewers, they would play spoil sport. This is no ordinary Congress neta. He's the chief of the Goa unit of the Congress party. So he's a very senior and responsible Congress politician. Now, viewers, you might have a problem with the Modi government. You might believe that they began slowly and we were all criticizing the Modi government then. But you've got to give our health workers, our scientific community their due, because they have really got their act together, and it is showing. I want to open this up. First, I want to bring in Dr. N.K. Mehra, former Dean of AIIMS and Honorary Emeritus Scientist at the ICMR. Now, Dr. Mehra, the ICMR itself is under attack. A whole host of opposition people are saying that you have been basically manipulating data to suit the government's taste. There are others who are saying today that the figures that we are seeing on our screen are manipulated. You heard Sitaram Yechury. How does this go down with you, sir, as a professional? Dr. Mehra.
Well, Rahul, I fully agree with your statement. This is a momentous day. And as you were talking, we went from 2.2 crores to 2.21 already there. And I am sure by the time you finish your show, it will be 2.5 crores. This is a remarkable achievement. You look, I mean, our target is by the end of the year, by 31st of December, we must vaccinate all of our adult population. The adult population we're talking about 94.5 crores. So we are talking about something like 185 to 190 jabs by that time. We have already given 80 crores. This is no mean an achievement. This is remarkable. The second point I want to say, I feel proud as an Indian. Let anybody say whatever they want to say. If we did not have these two vaccines in India, where were we? We have through our own, and I want to here pay regards and compliments to my colleagues in science and in medicine actually, who really worked hard, and within a matter of months, we have two vaccines in India. And today we can with pride say that we have vaccinated 42% of the population with one dose, and at least 21% of the population, I'm talking of the adult population, with two doses. This is remarkable. And you know, our data also indicates that even one dose of vaccine is good enough, because it helps to sort of cover you from hospitalization. It helps you to make sure that you do not develop a very severe form of the disease. So all in all, I am very happy. I feel proud to be an Indian.
He feels proud to be an Indian. Tausif Ahmed, Ashutosh Mishra, and Dr. Rakesh Sinha, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Dr. Sinha, let me ask you. The opposition says that, look, this is all manipulated. Now, I don't want to get into that sort of extremely trivial exchange about whether it is manipulated or not. I mean, just look at the lines in Guwahati, for instance, outside the vaccine centers. I mean, they go down for blocks. So quite clearly, people are coming in. But I have a more fundamental question, which is being raised constantly by the opposition. They're saying that everything was saved up today for Mr. Modi's birthday. If you look at the numbers yesterday, there were about 65 lakhs, if I'm not mistaken, top of my head. Don't have the exact number, but around in that vicinity, 63 to 65 lakhs. And today you suddenly see 2 crore 21. Now, are we going to be able to sustain this? Or are we going to go back tomorrow down to about 65, 70, 80?
Behind this quantity, there is some qualitative aspect and dimension which one must understand. For the first time in independent India, Narendra Modi ji has created a situation where there is a organic fraternity between the medical community and the political leadership. It had never been in India. Always medical leadership was questioned and was just like administered by the political leadership. This time you find that the political leadership and medical fraternity has symbiotic relationship. That is the reason that corona warriors are not here. They have saved their energy. Not the medicine is available, vaccine is available, but these corona warriors saved their energy, and the people who are coming out, they are just showing their emotional link with the Prime Minister. I agree with that. His popularity, his inspiration, his leadership have impact on the people's mind and the corona warriors, and the result is obvious. As far as Sitaram Yechury's remark, I was listening. I am questioning that this is the COVID vaccination is so transparent, so methodological that nobody can manipulate. If I want a vaccine, extra vaccine, I cannot get the extra vaccine because everything is recorded.
Yeah.
Sitaram Yechury should reply to the nation what is happening in Kerala, where Pinarayi Vijayan, 44 lakh active cases in Kerala, and death. The official death is more than 22,000. Unofficially, it is by the NGOs who are working on the COVID transparency, they are saying it would have been more than 50,000. And Kerala is not in the position to control. So Sitaram Yechury should first answer about the Kerala, the only state where CPM is ruling, and they claim that the rule is very transparent, it is a pro-people. Is it pro-people? I consider Narendra Modi's government is a pro-people. Had he not been the Prime Minister earlier, we have seen the regime, then India would have been in a pathetic situation.
Okay.
He
let me bring in
the pathetic situation from 2 years. Rahulji, I am ending with the 2 points. Just 2 points. One second, just give me. One, that from the very beginning, he made it a people's movement. And we see that how the BJP workers worked under the party's leadership guidance to reach to every nook and corner to mobilize the people for the vaccination. That inspired not only corona warriors, but also the people, their hesitancy. You mentioned that the Congress party leaders hesitate to come out and inspire the people.
Well, let's listen in to the Congress Goa party leader. He's the head of that party. Now listen in, viewers, to this man.
I don't want to discourage anybody from taking the vaccination at this point of time. I'm not the authority. I can speak for myself. हाय घेऊ ना दोघांनी त्या घेऊचे ना घेऊचे आम्ही एनकरेज केलं ते सरकार एनकरेज करता आम्ही सरकाराचे अगेन्स्ट असता.
There you go, viewers. He's politicizing it. So I speak for myself. I'm not going to take the vaccine. Now, viewers, I want to bring in Ashutosh Mishra, who is a die-hard fan of the Congress party. Now, Ashutosh Mishra ji, what do you make of individuals like Mr. Chadonkar, who have come out and said that we won't take the vaccine? Why, sir? Why discourage people? Why impregnate them with doubt? Why, sir?
So the more dangerous point that I see here is people like my previous speaker.
नहीं आप जरा ये जवाब देने को दीजिए कि आज की डेट में आपके कांग्रेस लीडर जो हैं वो अपना टीकाकरण नहीं कराना चाहते. Is this a responsible stand to take?
आप पहले अपने बीजेपी के जो लीडर हैं उनकी गलतियां देखिए. That lady that you were showing in Bombay, why this is being called a political stunt? Because the lady who you interviewed in Bombay, she said she could not take it because she had gone to the village. Why are the vaccines not in the village? Can Mr.
Listen, 1 minute. Look.
Can he tell us why he was praising Mr. Modi? Why is he forgetting?
Who are you talking about? What are you talking about, Ashutosh Mishra? I'm not understanding. Put the context right. What lady? What person? Who are you talking about?
Weren't you watching your own clip that you were showing?
No. What are you saying? Explain.
Special drive going on in.
No. What are you saying? Explain.
I am saying that lady said that she could not get the vaccinated earlier because she had gone to her village. Why are the vaccines not there in villages? Can Dr. Sinha answer that?
That is, one second. Now you are artfully changing the, no, 1 second, you are artfully changing. Look, I am not saying here, 1 second. Arey bhai, don't froth at the mouth, relax, let me come in, let me tell you. Viewers, I am not saying, and let's be very honest here, neither is the BJP spokesperson saying that this has been a a walk in the park. This has been tough, viewers. It's not easy overnight. And in fact, I'm not going to be the one who's going to lay out how tough it has been. Let Dr. N.K. Mehra explain to us, who's the former Dean of AIIMS and Honorary Emeritus Scientist at the ICMR. Now, Dr. Mehra, to the Ashutosh Mishras of the world who are diehard Congressias, etc., and who believe that everything is wrong, I want to ask you, was this really a walk in the park? Where did we come from? Where did we begin? And how do you see this in the context of where the world is at this moment? And I'll put out those figures and put them on, by the way. So, Dr. Mehra, yes, go ahead.
Rahul, vaccination is no easy job. In history, a vaccine normally takes about 10 to 15 years to make. And the minimum time that any vaccine took was 4.5 years. And today, in this COVID pandemic, the vaccines have become available to the whole world within a matter of months. And this is not just a small task. This is absolute hard work, tremendous hard work and coordination. Coordination between the policy makers of the government, coordination between the scientists and the doctors is not an easy job. I'm sorry to say that. It's such a hard work. And then to vaccinate each and every one, to plan for the vaccination, again, it's a very hard task. So I think all in all, we are very happy. I think the vaccination program in India is well on track. And I would urge everybody, please do not spread the vaccine hesitancy. Let everybody go and take vaccination, because there's data coming day after day. Countries where the vaccination rate is low, there the infection is still rising. Not only the infection is rising, but also the deaths are going up. Look at the example of UK, the USA, and the other countries where the vaccination rate has become higher. Even though they have infections over there, there are no deaths. So please, vaccination is the key, and nobody should be deprived of, and nobody should actually say, I don't want to take vaccine. With folded hands, we would like to tell everybody, please, for your own sake and for the sake of the public at large, spread the message around of the vaccination.
Well, you will still have people, sir, doubting you. But let me quickly tell you, and this is very important. Viewers, the states that are leading this fight back are Bihar, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. And those that need to step up are Jharkhand, Delhi, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Now, Ashutosh Mishra, let me ask you this. The 5 states that need to step up all happen to be opposition rule states. And you're talking about vaccines not being in Jharkhand or in villages. I don't understand what you're saying.
No, you do understand what I am saying.
No, I'm asking you. Jharkhand needs to step up, Delhi needs to step up, Punjab needs to step up, Tamil Nadu needs to step up, Kerala needs to step up. How is it possible that, sir, 60% of the COVID cases are still coming from an opposition rule state? Now, if you want to make it political, then I'll get into the facts with you. And these are undeniable facts. Google them.
Let's talk about the facts then.
Go on to the health ministry. I'm telling you, how is it that even Bihar has 21.10 lakh vaccinations done and Jharkhand only 55,000?
No, you explain. The counter question is that maybe these are the states which are giving you actual figures. And you won't find...
There you go. Now, some states, he's going to say, just because the narrative, see, when you confront them with facts, viewers, they will say, now hang on, when you confront them with facts, they will say that these are manipulated. Tausif Ahmed, manipulated, everything manipulated, sir?
No, Rahul, you see, BJP is celebrating Narendra Modi ji's birthday. I also extend my good wishes on his birthday. But it is height of chatukarita to say that because of Modi ji's birthday, people are coming out in large number for vaccination. The fact is people always came out for vaccination, but they went back home without vaccination because government failed to provide adequate supply. There was short of a stock. And you're talking about transparency. If government had been so transparent...
Tausif Ahmed says, viewers, that the vaccines have been deliberately stacked up over the last few weeks so that on Modi's birthday, there's going to be a sudden jump in the figures. Well, Just look at the statistics. Yesterday was 63 lakhs. That's the question I posed. That yes, 63 lakhs yesterday, 2.21 crores today. There is a jump, viewers. 3 times, 4 times. Do the math on it. The point is, are we going to sustain this? Otherwise, the opposition will come out tomorrow and say again, we are down to 50, 60 lakhs. That means that you hoarded vaccines to give on Modi's birthday so that everyone thinks that Modi is the Messiah. Well, viewers, we're going to continue this discussion a little later in the evening. This point will come up again. The BJP will be on test to answer it. We're right back.